Hello, this is Supriya from PBL. I work for PBL City. That's our flagship venture of PBL. PBL is a joint venture of three companies. We are based out in Hyderabad, and two Israeli companies and an Indian company formed PBL. And our project is located at Appa Junction, and it is spread across 23 acres. And we have about 350 families who are living there, and we are known to be as Hyderabad's most vibrant community. And every event is celebrated with joy, and we are also known to be the latest event destination in Hyderabad. Very recently we have organized events like Shivamani concert for our customers. And we are also known for our quality. That's how we, even if you can see the stall here today, it's about on-time delivery. We believe in quality, and we believe in delivering all our products on time. And we are also known for our engineering excellence. Every home that is built at PBL City is engineered for your joy. Please do come and visit us. We are not just selling a house, it's a home. And home is something which everyone dreams of. Everyone wants to own a house, right? So we are providing quality homes for our customers, and we are also providing a lot of amenities and infrastructure. If you can see, we are providing swimming pool, gym, and all the amenities. Actually, to say, though we have constructed in a phase-wise manner, we have provided all the amenities in the first phase itself. So the clubhouse also is getting ready. Everything will be handed over very soon. And other than that, we are also very good with social media. We have a Facebook page, that is facebook.com/PBLCity. We have more than 15,000 likes on our page, and that's how we are able to get a lot of visibility in the online space as well. So if you want to know more information about us, do come and visit our Facebook page, that is www.facebook.com/PBLCity. Actually, to tell you, we are very much strong on referrals. Like we have lot of sales that come through referrals. That means who refers someone? A person who is completely satisfied with the services and the products. So if someone is coming to us and referring their friends and relatives to us, that means they're very much satisfied with our product. So that's how we generally engage with our customers. And we also have a very strong marketing and sales team that interact with the customers, and who also love to maintain relationship with the customers. And other than that, we also have some inherent strengths like L&T Construction. L&T is our construction partner, and we have also partnered with major brands, Commerlink and Schneider and many other brands which are there in the market. And everything is done for, our ultimate goal is quality construction and great homes for our customers. Okay. Actually, our project consists of 2 and 3 BHK apartments, and our price starts from 50 lakhs onwards, and the highest range can go up to 80 lakhs. And our range is from 1180 to 1972 square feet. So I think it's been discussed a lot, even in the meet that has been done right now. Like, we've seen the Honorable Minister coming and speaking about it. There's a lot of uncertainty in the state till some time back. But I think right now things are settling down, and we are also looking forward to a better opportunity in terms of real estate in Hyderabad. I don't know about the other builders as such, but we're able to maintain a consistent track record of good number of sales every month. It's not like we're never in single digits. We're always trying to maintain the double digit, and so that's how we've been. Though the scenario looked bleak, we think that it will become better in the future. Yes, actually, as I've told you already, that we're very much focused on, even in the online space, you won't be seeing a lot of real estate companies who are very much active in things like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So we are very much strong in this space, and everything is like, we always love to listen to our customers. If someone is giving us any feedback on Facebook, anywhere, we listen, we talk to them, and we'll try to solve the problem at the earliest. Yes, definitely, and we also have a very strong customer support team, and we have a very good, tracking mechanism. We also follow a lot of, CRM techniques and procedures to make our, process error-free for the customers. Honor for us to be a part of CredEye Property Show, and many of our, even our executive director, Mr. Anand Reddy, he's been handling the communications division of CredEye Property Show, and if you see, if this lot of a lot of success can be attributed to him and his team there, who has done this wonderful show. And other than that, we also see, till now we have seen about 50 footfalls now. Probably we are expecting at least 500.